Is your cough strong enough to defend your lungs? Is your breathing, your lung expansion, respiratory muscles is strong enough to help you to remove the secretions? Is your coughing mechanism working properly? If somehow due to pain, surgical incision, uncoordinated muscular efforts is affecting your cough quality, then there are different coughing techniques to help you. Double cough. Controlled cough. Series of 3 cough. Huffing. Pump coughing. Save, share with your friends, and stay tuned with PhysioPulse Life.